Hey guys, this is Sahil. Welcome to my channel, and I'm back with another video of unboxing of my SJCam SJ6 Legend. I have received this camera just now today, and now I will be doing an unboxing video of this camera. So this is the box of SJCam SJ6 Legend, and as you can see, the box gives the overview to the camera. And now let me just get this camera out of the box so that we can see what accessories they are providing in the box along with the camera. So here is the camera, sleek looking, small stylish camera. And to open the camera, you just need to press this button down towards open position and just pull the cap. And then when you pull this cover open, as you can see, this cover contains plastic washer which prevents the camera from water and keep it just like a waterproof camera. So this is overall the camera. First of all, guys, is not waterproof, and the casing, this one is the one which prevents the camera from getting any water inside it, and it comes with a plastic wrap to prevent the lens area of the camera. And now if you can see clearly, this camera comes with a two side screen. One screen which shows you the clear view of your recordings and your photos, and one screen in the front which shows you the time as well as the battery status of your camera. And here on the left side of the camera you have a speaker, small speaker, and a microphone inbuilt. Along with that you have the HDMI port, USB to charge the camera, and a micro SD card slot. And on right hand side of the camera you have small LED light, power button, and settings option button. And here on the top of the camera you have one more LED light along with the button. And on the downside of the camera you have a port so that you can fit the camera on your tripod or any other stand or any other jack of the camera. And this, friends, this is the battery compartment of the camera. You just have to push it, pull it, and it pops open showing the battery. You just have to pull the sticker along with the battery, which pulls out the battery from the camera. And I think this is 1000 mAh battery. Power on the camera. Let's check out if we have any battery left in the camera. I think there is no battery backup in the camera now. Okay, so I think I need to charge it up. So let's see what else we have in the box. And yeah, this is one more back housing for the camera, and when using this it will prevent the camera from water up to 10 feet or 3 meters. So let's remove this sticker as well. Yeah, and here comes one more mount, another one, and the charging cable, micro USB, I think. Yeah, it's micro USB charging cable. No, it's not micro USB. You can connect the cable to your car charger to connect the camera, and this end goes into this slot of the camera. Along with that, we have a lens protector for the camera and a cleaning cloth and 2 stickers from SJCam and a small user manual. So this, my friends, is the audio and camera quality of SJCam SJ6 Legend. I'm using no other external microphones to record the audio from the camera, and I hope the audio is much clear to you guys. And to show it to you, I'm going to take the video from my iPhone, and to show it to you that the camera is recording much clear and the audio is also clear, I'm using my iPhone to capture the video from my iPhone. And to show it to you that the camera is recording much clear and the audio is also clear, I'm using my iPhone to capture the video of the camera. And that's all for today, guys. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Please like the video if like, and if you have any suggestions for me, please comment down below. Also share the video with your friends. Thank you.